just honest travel. Welcome to the Honest Travel Guide. Hello, welcome to the new review of the Honest Travel Guide. We start this review with this text because they didn't make up our room today. So don't look to the mess in our room, they didn't change anything. So then we're going to see where we are today. We are in Dania. And then we are in the Daniya Denia Hotel, Business and Spa. We have booked a normal double room with street view, but we are upgraded to a junior suite garden view. And I will show you around to this huge room. So when we come in, we have a kitchen over here. It's a little bit dated, but it's fine. We don't use it. I don't know if it is fully stocked. No, I think you can rent everything or take it with you if you want to use it, but it's not necessary. There is here a kettle to boil some water. There are some tea bags, some instant coffee. So that's fine. What's good is to know is that there is a fridge over here and even there is a freezer. So you can keep your stuff cool if needed. Then we have here the little dining table. You see everything is a little bit old, but it's good. The cabinet with a telephone and the television. And then the sitting area with a good couch. I think this one isn't old yet. And then a little table. And then we have here the view from our room. You can see the pool over there. But also we have an outside area. And it's a quite big balcony. And Frank is already chilling. Oh, I cannot open it, but it's open. And then look to the view. So we're back in again. And then I'm going to show you the rest of the room. So starting here with a sliding door, and the sliding door guides you to the bathroom. And you see a big mirror, a sink, the toilet, and a shower. And it is even a rain shower. So it's very nice. It's also very spacious. And it is an ensuite bedroom, a bathroom and bedroom. Because here we have the beds. We have 2 twin beds. So that is fine. They are comfortable. And then on the wall there is a television. And there is a closet right here, but my stuff is here, so it's not really good. So the other side, you can hang up your clothings. And over here is the safe. So as you can see, it's very spacious. Sometimes I go to sleep early, so then Frank will close this door. I can sleep and he can chill. So this hotel offers breakfast, half board, and I think also full board, but we only have breakfast because you have lots of restaurants in Dania or in the neighborhood. So it's not necessary. To have breakfast is fine. There's a buffet and you can choose whatever you like. Then there is a pool, there is a pool bar. There are some beds, there are some umbrellas. So it's very nice, it's not too busy. I think this hotel is also being used for recovery after surgery because many people are walking with a kind of a stroller or something like that. Yeah, it's a very good hotel. It's only maybe 20 minutes walk to the city center or of Denia. But if you have a car, you can also explore the environment. would recommend this hotel, even if the furniture is a little bit outdated, but overall it's fine. So if you like this review, please press your thumbs up or subscribe to the channel, and then we will see you next time again. Bye bye.